Okay, y'all, me and Coco, we made it back from our morning walk, and we got a very good one. And guess what? When we got back here, we had so many Amazon packages. Yes, y'all know I am that girl. I love to shop, so I got some things for me and Coco. But let me show you this. Okay, so y'all see my little cocktail bar I set up for myself. Yes, I'm drinking that Corbel, that good old Corbel. What you know about that? Corbel is good. The experience is what? Everything. How much of that left? Y'all, we want to pull that in there. We done with that. But I've been drinking off this Corbel, y'all, for days. And I think I'm gonna make me a what? Mimosa. Mimosa. Me and Coco got so many goodies, so y'all are gonna have to stay tuned. And this is my continental breakfast. Y'all know I don't eat nothing but the best. Don't play with me. So they actually had these buy one get one free. So yeah, these are the blueberry. And so let's see what. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put just how much juice y'all think I should put in here? I put half and half. And I'm gonna swirl my mimosa around real good. And I'm going to open up my muffin. Yeah, I am having a wonderful day. If you want to have a good day, always start with giving thanks to the Most High, and your doggone day will be good forever. Every time open this thing. These muffins are good. If y'all haven't tried these muffins, y'all are missing out. I love everything Publix. So I'm gonna pop one out of there. And let me find a bowl or something. This is ridiculous. It is. Okay, y'all. Guess I got one of these. Because I think I'm going to have some turkey or something. I know I'm going to eat more than one of these. I got to see what other flavor I got. So, yes. And we're going to be doing skincare with our fragrances of the day. I haven't worn this one in a minute. I found this in my luggage. This is by Good Chemistry. You get this from none other than Tarjay, and it smells so good. And I have, of course, the Midnight Cafe, and the weather is nice and cool, so this is real fitting for today. So we'll see. Okay, grand early rising, beautiful people. Happy what? Sunday. And it is nice here in Florida. in Florida. It is so nice here. It's been raining. Yeah, it rained over throughout the night a little bit. So y'all, I found my wet boots. I knew I hadn't thrown them away. So I'm gonna be slipping them on after what? For baby Coco. Eat her breakfast. And this is her unboxing that she's going to do, y'all. Yes. Yes, y'all know when them checks hit, we go shopping. We go shopping. Okay, so you gonna show? Let's show. Well, first let's show them Coco. This is the fragrance that Coco is going to wear today. I got this one from none other than who? Amazon, and we just ordered. Don't show them your face on the screen. Y'all hear Coco? She about ready to go on her party. She just got her some goodies. Y'all, if y'all watched her last video, she unboxed her Amazon delivery. Yeah, I was trying to find the right word. She got the pepperoni sticks. So this morning, her other goodies came. You gonna show them, Coco? Show them right here. Oh, we're gonna be busy today, enjoying the day and cleaning. Yeah, so this came for Coco. This is her favorite. This is her favorite bringing. Remember I was talking about the Purina? So yes. So this is gonna last. Y'all know what? I love buying in bulk because it lasts. You don't have to worry about going back and forth to the store. And I am so thankful and grateful that the Most High, y'all, He put delivery business to business. So all I have to do is order what we want and what we need. So yeah, so this, let's see, how many packages in this, y'all? Because this is the first time of us ordering a package this big, but I made sure. Oh, y'all. Let me see. Okay, y'all, we back in business. I am so glad I bought another one of these. As a matter of fact, it came in a pack of 2. So those of y'all that's recording your content, you want to make it nice and easy, click. So we're gonna open up this box for Coco. What am I looking for? So me and Coco, we're gonna be relaxing and enjoying our beautiful Sunday that the Most High has blessed us to see. Do I need to bring this down? I was gonna try to bring it down a little bit so you can see me. Oh. Yeah, I had this one. Okay, that looks better. Okay, so we're gonna cut this right there. Cut this box open. When she see these, she run, because she knows that I'm going to be trimming her bottom. I keep her trim because, and I give her baths in between her grooming at Petco. Yeah, so sometime today or tomorrow, most likely gonna be tomorrow, because I got up, y'all, and did some washing. Got some washing out the way. Turn on my Amazon, my Echo Dot with some nice smooth jazz. Of course, I spent time with the Most High early this morning. Sure did, at 1. And we're going to be spending time all day, every day for eternity. How about that? I am excited, y'all. We living in some exciting times. Don't worry about nothing. Just trust in the Most High, Yah. the Almighty, true, and living Elohim. He's the one and only Almighty, true, and living Elohim. Of course, us Hebrews, we are more than blessed than anybody because the Most High is ours. Ours, y'all. We are special. Real special. Real special. Real special, doggone it. And I did my homework, and y'all gonna have to too. I can't. You're just gonna have to do it, and please do it quick, y'all. We are living in some beautiful, beautiful times. All glory, honor, praise to the Most High, y'all. Oh, whatever it is right here. Seriously. Okay, y'all. Okay, this it says 52 ounce total. Let's see how many bags. You gonna show them how many bags you got, Coco? Coco looking crazy. Okay, let's do this.